This is my preparation for my curry chicken and rice, just typical Jamaican style curry chicken and rice. I have my onions cut up and my bell pepper here, and then I prepare my chicken already and my garlic. Then I have some salt. Then I have this Meditarian herb. Then my curry, and then over here I have my perfect pinch Italian seasoning. This is the part I'm going to use to cover over the chicken, so I let it marinate for a while until I'm ready. And this is the rice, the typical Manhattan rice that I'm going to use. And you know guys, my favorite olive oil. So what I'm going to do now is to put the seasoning in and let it soak into the chicken. So I'm going to put it in the garlic. Yes guys, put it in the garlic in it, and put in the bell pepper. Then I'm gonna go ahead and just add the onions in. Okay. Then I'm gonna put my salt in. Then I'm gonna be putting in my herbs. Then I'm gonna add some curry powder. And then I'm gonna just sprinkle some of this Italian seasoning on it. And what I'm going to do guys is just stir this up and let it sit for a while. And guys, because I don't want the curry to go into my fingers, what I do is to just use a spoon and just rub the chicken, rub the seasoning in. Let the seasoning sit in it. We'll just rub it up because I don't want my nails to change color. So I just do this. This is what it looks like guys after I rub the seasoning in. So I'm gonna be covering this bad boy over and let the season marinate in it for a while, about 45 to an hour, and then I'll get back to you guys. Now guys, it's 3 cups of rice I'm gonna prepare. In the meantime, I have the chicken in the fridge. There's now 30 minutes in the fridge. I'm gonna go ahead and prepare the rice. And here is a pot I have on the stove with the water. So it's 3 cups of rice with 6 cups of water. So I'm gonna let it boil. Guys, the water now come to a boil. I'm gonna go ahead and put in just a teaspoon of salt. And then I already washed the rice. So I'm gonna pour the rice in. Okay. just gonna take a little oil. I like a little oil in mine. Just stir it up and leave it for a while. And I'm just gonna turn the heat down, turn it to so I'm just leave it. The chicken is ready to go, guys, ready to go. So what I'm going to do is to pour some oil, just a little oil, not too much, and then I'm going to put some curry in the pot and let it burn. Let the curry cook a little bit. That's enough curry. Because what you want to let the curry a little bit. Because you want when you put in the chicken, you want the chicken to get that curry look. You want to do that? You can just go ahead now, guys, and you can just start putting in the chicken. Start putting in the chicken, guys. What it looks like, guys, in the pot. So what I like to do is to just let it sit there, and you know, sometimes I just go ahead and just let the just turn it around a little bit in the pot. Sometimes I just in the pot like that, just to give it that little brown. Make sure all the seasoning and the curry cover over everything nicely. Curry that I put in it before, I want to make sure that everything will come over into it. Just mix it up nice like that. So in the process, so what I'm going to go ahead now and do, I'm just going to go ahead and put some water in. Let it cook. Just want to turn the flame down so it's not in a rush. Let the rice cook. So when everything is finished, guys, I'll come back and show you the end product. what it looks like. Let's cover it over now and let it cook down. Now look at this, guys. Look at this. Not too much grease. Just right. Just nice. This is after 45 minutes, guys. This is what it looks like. And this is the rice. Oh, well. All shelly. All shelly and ready. Curly and ready, guys.